Hi, welcome back. It's time for another video. This time I'm just going to show you some fun websites that I like. A variety. There's no rhyme or reason, just some random websites that I enjoy. This one is called Quick Draw. So the address is quickdraw.withgoogle.com. You try to draw something on your computer and see if Google can guess what it is. Can you draw it fast enough and well enough that it can be guessed? This is a game with machine learning. The more you play, the more it learns. It has never guessed any of my pictures, but maybe you can draw better than I can. If you have a stylus, it'd probably be a lot easier. I'm trying to do this with the mouse, but I just want to show you. It's funny. Okay, let's draw. Oh, triangle. We should be able to do that, right? So, got it. Got 20 seconds to draw a triangle.
I see line. Or wishbone. Oh, I know. It's triangle.
Woohoo! Okay, now I gotta do microwave. That's a little harder. Let's see, got it.
I see suitcase. Or square. Oh, I know. It's microwave.
Oh, wow. 2 in a row. Let's try one more. Nail. Okay.
I see pond. Oh, I know. It's nail.
Wow. Okay, this is weird because I played this for probably 20 minutes earlier. Didn't guess any of my drawings. So, anyways, that's a fun one. So it's called Quick Draw. The next one is called Magic iPod. So this is fun. So I am not sure if you're going to be able to hear this or not. Let's try it. So what you're doing is mashing one of these songs together with one of these songs. So these are the older songs with the newer songs. So let's just pick one. I don't know anything about these songs. Drag one of these onto one of these. Let's just do that. So you only can pick the ones that are highlighted.
Hey, let's go! Snap your fingers, do your step. You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey, let me see you do it. Hey, snap your fingers, do your step.
Okay, let me try to pick some that I know. I don't know those songs. Oh, here's that Soldier Boy song. I think I know what that one is. And then let's see which one we can pick from. Oh, here it goes again. I think that's that treadmill song. Let's try that.
Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank that 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy, I've been it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that now why me crank that Soldier, now what?
Anyways, it's really fun. So play with that. That's called Magic iPod. TheMagicIPod.com. This one I found very interesting. This is called Recipe Roulette. I have days all the time when I don't know what to make for dinner. This will randomize a process for you. You can pick a cuisine, a main ingredient, any dietary restrictions, and then spin the wheel. It comes up with some great looking things. I haven't made anything yet, but it's kind of fun to play with this. Let's just pick a American meal. Let's say we have, what should we have? We have fish. Okay, let's have some fish. And we want to make it dairy free. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Spin the wheel. And where will it land? Okay. Ugh. It doesn't look very appetizing, does it? Baked sea bass with fennel. Okay, so then it gives you the ingredients. And click over here. Here's your method of cooking. Let's do it again. So let's pick, let's have an Italian. Okay, let's have asparagus. No restrictions. Let's just go for it. Let's see what we end up with. Okay, this looks like asparagus. Simply steamed asparagus. I don't know, that's very Italian, but it looks yummy. Tells you what ingredients you need and how to cook it. So that's called Recipe Roulette. That's pretty fun. I really should try some of these recipes. Let's do one more. I just want to try to find something that's here. Let's have Spanish. Let's pick something kind of weird. Here we have honey. Let's see what this is going to come up with. Nothing. Okay, I picked too strange of a combination there. But anyways, it's fun, so play with that. One other one, which I love, not for myself, but it's called ABC. Yeah, it's an educational website for kids, obviously. Now with this whole COVID-19 thing, and a lot of people have their kids at home and you're homeschooling, and they're probably getting tired of listening to the Zoom calls all day. But here's some fun games that are educational. Let's say you have a third grader. You click on third grade. You can break it down by, if you want, letters, numbers, a holiday, a strategy thing, learn a skill. Here's the grade 3 Common Core standards that you can read. So that's, anyways, you can just go, and I'm not going to read this here, but it really breaks it down. It's exactly what they're going to be learning at school, which is nice. But if you go back here, there's a lot of choices. So this is all the word games. This is all catered to third grade. So it'll say here from third grade, 6+, first grade, 3, third grade, kindergarten. So it'll give you things under it, but it doesn't, it's usually around the age that you ask for. So let's see what this is. Nouns and verbs.
Ice cream talk. Nouns and verbs. Select a game and press next.
Okay,
Nouns.
let's do nouns.
Help the monkey collect 10 scoops of ice cream before the monster. Collect ice cream by finding the nouns and verbs in the sentences. Collect 10 scoops with no mistakes and play the bonus game. Find the nouns.
Okay. Woohoo! Well, school, that's a place. Melody, let's see. Anyways, let's go back. So that's cute. There's more. So then you go down here. Here's some math games. You can play with all these. Here's some holiday games. Shamrock Hunt. That sounds fun. So you can, look at this. It's endless. Your kid can go crazy playing with all these things. Here's learn skills, find the technology. Here's a keyboard challenge. You can practice their typing. Here's a geography puzzle map. So anyways, it's a really great site. It's been around for a really long time, and they just keep making it better and better. You can pay and join for the premium, but you can just do most of it for free. So pay if you want, but I don't know that it's necessary. I think it gives you tracking and stuff. But anyways, yeah. One last website. What is this? No, thank you. Little Alchemy 2. I don't know if you know what alchemy is, but it's mixing two things. What is this doing? Okay. You mix two things to make something else. So anyways, here, let's click on play. So you start with some basic elements. There's some air and earth. Mix them together. You've got dust. So now we have, let's see, fire and water. Does that make anything? Ooh, steam. So now you have dust and steam and all these. So you just kind of mix them together to, nope, that doesn't make anything. You put earth with the steam. Ooh, you get a geyser. It's surprisingly addicting and harder than you think it would be. Let's see, let's try one more. Air and water. Okay, mist. So anyways, it's a really kind of interesting thing. Now, once you find things, I have this little encyclopedia. So here's our items. It'll tell you what you found so far. You can click on air and it'll tell you what air is. Obviously we know what air is, but let's say geyser would probably be more interesting. So let's go back to our encyclopedia, go to our items. The geyser. For kids, this would be cute. They could learn a lot of things. And an exclamatory jet of water and steam that is exhaled from a hot spring. So, anyways, it's science and it is like a game, but you're going to learn while you're playing. So, yeah. And when you're done, you just press clean up and wipes them all away. But it keeps everything that you've found so far. Anything, if you close out, you can come back in. And it'll remember the things that you have if you don't clear out your cookies. If you clear out your cookies, then maybe not. There's hints. Anyways, it's a fun website. So those are some that I wanted to share with you this time. I hope that this was interesting and maybe you want to go play with one of those websites and have some fun. But thanks for stopping by and I'll see you next time.